Quick reading for November the 17th to November the 18th, fire signs. I don't know what's with the ethers as of the moment, pero nakakakita tayo lahat, halos, no, ng zodiac signs. Meron itong madali ang takbo, madali ang decisions, parang minamadali tayo, meron ditong sense of urgency. And with regards to you, parang ang tagal mo naman din inantay siguro yung communication na ito. Ang tagal mo din naman siguro inantay yung information. It can be pagsasabi ng totoo. It can be pagsasabi ng kanyang nararamdaman. It can be the clarity kung kayo pa ba or hindi. It can be kung i-move forward nyo itong relationship into another level of commitment. Whatever your questions, no? Or wala na ba si third party, what have you, no? Whatever your questions are, it felt like ito yung ibibigay niya agad-agad. Kasi nakikita natin dito, maraming time, no, ang pag-iipon ng kanyang lakas ng loob at maraming time din siyang ginugol to actually reevaluate kung paano niya ito sasabihin. So, this is your quick reading fire signs for November the 17th to November the 18th.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars.